Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay in your Nissan Kicks. First, ensure your vehicle is compatible with Apple CarPlay, as not all models or trims include this feature. Next, grab an official Apple Lightning to USB cable. Third-party cables can sometimes cause connection issues. Finally, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 7. One or a newer version for optimal performance and compatibility. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Now that you've prepared, let's connect your device. Locate the USB port in your Nissan Kicks, typically found in the center console or near the infotainment screen. Plug one end of your Lightning cable into your iPhone and the other into the car's USB port. Your iPhone screen might display a prompt asking for permission to allow CarPlay. Simply tap Allow to proceed with the connection process. Once connected, turn your attention to the Nissan Kicks infotainment display. You should see an Apple CarPlay icon appear on the screen. Tap this icon to launch the CarPlay interface. Your iPhone may ask for additional permissions, which you should grant. After these steps, Apple CarPlay should be fully active, allowing you to access your favorite apps, navigation, and music directly from your car's display. Enjoy the seamless integration. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your iPhone and the Nissan Kicks infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. If the problem persists, try using a different Apple-certified USB cable, as faulty cables are a common culprit. Sometimes, a quick software update on your iPhone can also fix connectivity problems. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you enjoy Apple CarPlay in your Nissan Kicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.